The Thirsty Crow. On a hot summer's day, a thirsty crow flew under the burning sun. He searched over trees, across rivers, and through quiet lanes, but no water could be found. At last, he saw a tall clay pot in a garden. Maybe there is water inside, he thought. Yes, there was water, but it was far too low. His beak could not reach. The crow paused and thought. Then he noticed pebbles on the ground. One by one, I will drop these pebbles in. Plink, plonk, plop. The pebbles sank, and the water began to rise. More and more pebbles went in, until the water reached the top. The crow dipped his beak and drank deeply. Ah, at last. Clever thinking had saved the day. The crow spread his wings and flew away with joy. Moral: where there is a will, there is a way.